I just want to take the opportunity to explain how the differences between valves and the adjustments that they are. So this is the volume control. This is, so if you wanted more water, you would turn it to the left, and if you wanted less water, you would turn it to the right. Now you can go too far and actually turn the water off with this. So that's something you need to be doing while you're looking at the sprinklers running. Okay, this is called a bleed screw. Sometimes when there's some debris that gets inside the valve and the seat is not seating and turning off, you can turn the valve on and open the bleed screw and it'll flush out any debris that's inside the valve. This is called the actuator. It's really just a solenoid or an electromagnet. It gets a pulse of electricity from the timer and it magnifies and lifts a rod inside, and that's how it turns on. No power, no magnetism, no turning on and no turning off. Well, I mean, it'll turn off because it'll just drop without any electricity. That rod will just drop and turn off. Inside of these two halves, or very similar to these, there's two halves here, and inside there is a rubber diaphragm. And generally when valves fail, it's because that rubber diaphragm has become brittle and is no longer effective. So in this case, the customer called me because these had failed, I guess at 2 in the morning?
2:30.
2:30 in the morning, and they had to call the fire department to come out here and turn off the water, the big issue. But it just happened to fail at 2:30 in the morning for them. And this is the same thing. This is a solenoid. This is the volume control. This particular one does not have a bleed screw, but a lot of them do. It would normally be right here. So I just want everybody to understand how to adjust volume on valves. Okay? That's it. Turn it off.